Young people laying bricks, repairing cars, and doing woodwork? These are not typical things we see teenagers and young adults doing. But at a contest held every 2 years to encourage youth to go into skilled blue-collar professions, they showed off their professionalism and skills. The World Skills London 2011 attracted 43 contestants from Taiwan. The Taiwanese team won 1 gold, 4 silver, and 3 bronze medals, and 15 honorable mention medallions for excellence at the competition held recently. That's not easy considering there were over 10,000 competitors from 54 countries and regions around the world.
非常的兴奋，然后也非常的 surprise 国际赛，然后也让我得到金牌，我也很高兴。
Contestants competed in 45 skilled areas over 4 days. These include carpentry and restaurant service. Contest is one of the largest skills competitions in the world. It's for youth from 17 to 22 years of age and is managed by World Skills International, which was founded in 1915 in Spain to promote skilled professions and set an international standard for excellence in these professions. Top 3 winning nations in the London competition were South Korea, Japan, and Switzerland. In descending order, Director General of Taiwan's Bureau of Employment and Vocational Training said Taiwan's excellent skilled labor is one of the key reasons for its competitiveness. He said the contest has helped participants learn about new trends in techniques and to upgrade their skills.
我们希望透过这样的竞赛来培养我们的选手，我们选手呢能够来影响更多的青年人对这样技术的一个重视。
The contest organizers hope to raise global awareness of the important contributions skills and high standards of competence make to people's lives. They also hope to encourage young people to pursue job opportunities in these skilled professions. CNA, London.